Hello and welcome guys. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable touch sounds in any Redmi mobile phone. So let's begin. For this, you have to tap on mobile settings. Under these settings, we have to find sound and vibration. Under the sound and vibration, just tap on additional settings. In the additional settings, you can see 5 sound settings. In these settings, we can mute dial pad tones, also turn off tap sounds, and we can mute screen locking sounds and screenshot sounds, and last but not the least, delete sound. So these settings are very important. I hope guys this video will help you. Thanks for watching.